Nag-decide.
Gaano nga ba ka-expensive mag-maintain ng pets?
Yung dogs mo, like kanina may dog siya si Chanel. My God, talagang pang-teen commercial yung kanyang pet. Parang yung frustration mo sa buhok. Eh, sa sa terrier mo
Kanya na lang
binuhol.
binabagsak.
Ang silky-silky talaga ng kanyang locks. Ano yung maintenance ng dogs mo?
Well, we just use dog shampoo. Medyo
Na may
high-end.
conditioner.
Yeah. Hiwala yung conditioner na ginagamit namin.
Oh.
So medyo high-end yung shampoo na ginagamit namin dito sa grooming salon. So,
Aha.
yung shampoo at conditioner na ginagamit ng mga show dogs, the dog show. So yun yung ginagamit namin dito. At least yung mga nagpapagroom dito, they really, satisfied talaga sila sa outcome.
How often do you have to come?
Well, it depends on the dog you have. Usually long breeds like Shih Tzus, mga Maltese, at least once a month.
Ganon. For their haircut.
For their grooming, for their...
Hindi nabidal sa sunang araw niya. Next, yung gumugupit ba saan aral?
Well, yung...
Ricky Reyes. Hi, mother!
Yung groomer namin dito, nag-8 years siya sa Taiwan.
Oh, yeah?
So,
And everything for dogs lang?
Yeah, dog grooming talaga special. It's an art kasi ako, I never realized na yung grooming is that, is that important. Tapos, aliw kasi different cuts for different breeds.
Oo. How often do you stay in your shop?
As much as possible, pag walang work, dito, open, lunchtime, then come back in the evening.
Yeah. Balita ko, ito ay dinadayo ng mga celebrity customers.
Okay naman.
Sino ba ang clientele mo? Dami, no? I think, mamaya, we'll tell you kung sino.
Speaking of maintaining and good grooming for dogs, siyempre si Senyor ang gagawin natin model. What? Shower mo na.
Yeah, baby doggy.
Mukhang nag-enjoy kung si Senyor ko, ha? At may pedicure pa. Pati ear cleaning, ha? And finally, nilagyan siya ng abang. Ayan! Fresh and clean na si Senyor ko.
Wow, magpapabong Isabol ka na.
Pero aside from being a dog enthusiast, sabi ni Michael, dapat daw ang relationship sa pets goes beyond being master and servant. Kaya naman si Michael, malaki rin ang involvement sa animal welfare.
In our own little way, we help them in terms of, looking for homes for their shelter dogs.
Talaga? Kanina alam mo kanina before.
Recommend din namin dito yan sa store.
Basta para sa akin, ang Senyor ko, hindi lang pet, but a friend as well. Say cheese! Kakain na!
I got my first